this is the result. Nesting box number 1. This is the 3rd year we've used it. You can see nothing fancy, made out of redwood. The duck will be able to fly right into it. I was standing by one of these once, and a duck flew right up to me and saw me at the last instant and veered off, but it was going to fly right into it. That was a hooded merganser used one of these. This is Bella supervising, and here comes Lily. She's ready to go. So all the branches cleared out above it, in front of it. Duck can fly into it, and hope they use it like they did last year.